what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I did this makeup look that I have on right now because today, August 7th, is actually my birthday and I am going out to eat. Actually, I already went out to eat while I'm filming this portion, but I'm going out to eat with my family and we went and got some yummy Mexican food. So I thought I would do a get ready with me, trying out some new products that I've hauled recently and just wanted to show you guys. So this is the look that I ended up creating. So if you guys want to see what I used, how I did it, my thoughts on the products, then let's get into it.
You guys, I had to do a voiceover because my fan was on in the back and it kind of ruined the audio. So I used my e.l.f. Holy Hydration first off to just moisturize the skin, and then I went in with the new Putty liquid primer from e.l.f. So far I'm really loving this. It gives a really nice smooth base to the skin. I don't think it's quite as pore filling as the original, but I do like it. And then for my foundation, I use the She Glam Complexion Pro mixed with my L'Oreal Infallible just for a nicer long wear foundation. Definitely full coverage. And then for concealer, I went in with the Born This Way by Too Faced. And I also added a little bit of my e.l.f. Camo just to lighten it up because that concealer was a tad bit dark. So I just kind of mixed them for the base. For bronzer, I used the new LYS bronzer stick that I got from my Sephora haul. It's in the shade Harmony, and you guys, I have been loving this. It is so buttery soft and it blends like a dream. I used the e.l.f. Putty bronzer brush that I also hauled, and it's the perfect combo. I have been loving these so much. I went in with my Tower 28 blush in the shade Office Hours. This is a beautiful blush. It just goes with everything and it blends so nicely. It gives the skin a gorgeous glow from within and it's just dewy and pretty. I definitely need to pick up some more shades in this because so far really liking it. I also used the One Size Ultra Pink powder. I was scared of trying this, but you guys, it is so nice. It is definitely very pink, but once you put it on, you can see how blurring it is right here in this clip. I kind of showed you a side by side. It just blurs the skin and sets the makeup so nicely. I am a huge fan of this. So I added some extra just to bake for a little bit and set the rest of my face while I go ahead and do my eyebrows. I used the Maybelline Tattoo Studio little brow pomade to go ahead and fill in my brows while that bake is sitting. Just dusted that off, then showed you guys a little close-up. That way you can just see how matte and nice and flawless the skin's looking. I used the Maybelline City bronzer to kind of just set the perimeters of my face where that cream bronzer was initially. Then I had to go in with some Milani Make It Last, one of my favorite drugstore setting sprays. I went in with Shelly from Benefit just to add on top of the cream blush because I love using creams and powders just to make the makeup last really long. I went in for highlight with the Rare Beauty highlighter and Exhilarate. This is the most gorgeous like gold highlight. It gives you a liquid highlight look but with a powder. I decided I wanted to add some brow gel, so I used my NYX brow glue just in clear. I then tried the new Kylie palette, the Kylie Matte palette, and I was so excited. It looks a lot like the Makeup by Mario one, so that's why I wanted to pick it up. I love neutrals, everyday colors, so I thought this was right up my alley. So I went in with the shade Camel at first. It's a really nice brown and just fluffed that all over the crease. I think I'll make a separate video on this palette because I just think it would be really fun. Next, I went in with the shade called Umber, which was a really pretty, almost like a burnt orange, brownish. I don't know. I thought it was really unique, and I decided to use that on my outer corner and blend that just a little bit through the crease as well. I then used it on my lower lash line, and I also mixed a little bit of the dark brown shade that was in the palette. It was called Chocolate. I kind of placed that on the outer corner just to give the look a little bit more depth as well. And I found the ColourPop Super Shock in the shade Frog. I picked it up at Target finally, and I decided to place it on the lid because it's such a beautiful sparkly shade. It just gives a nice pop to any neutral look. A little bit of a pinky undertone to it. So I definitely wanted some sparkle. I used my Ioni lashes. You can find those at the Dollar Tree. Such great pair of lashes for the price. And I used my Wet n Wild breakup proof liquid liner as well as my e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. So I went ahead and applied those off camera just to kind of speed things up. And then I went with my Sweetest Tea Morphe lip liner for the liner today. I love their lip liners. They're so creamy. And I use my finger just to kind of smudge everything out a little bit. For gloss, I tried the Forget the Filler gloss by Lawless, and it's in the shade Cherry Vanilla. It smells so yummy, and it just gives the lips such a pretty plumpy look without the sting. And then I use the Milani Make It Last for setting spray once again, and that was the completed makeup. I think it turned out super pretty.
You guys, I'm back. I just came back from going out to eat. I didn't get a chance to film before I left, but I have a cute little dress on it's like teal with different colors. It's really pretty. And I wear a jean jacket because it's actually chilly outside here today. It's been super hot, but today it's like in the 70s, like 73 I think. So I wanted to hop on and show you the completed makeup. It's still looking good. Love it. I wanted to pop on and do my outro with you guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below. It means so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next one.